Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term ASF. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, ASF is an acronym meaning as fuck, used for strong emphasis or intensity in texting. People use it when they want to really highlight how much of something there is or how extreme a situation is. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. ASF first showed up in early 2010s internet and social media. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people in online communities. Now let's check out how to use ASF in a sentence. Correct example 1. That party was lit ASF last night and everyone had a blast. Correct example 2. I'm tired ASF after that workout. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said ASF at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using ASF right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. ASF means an acronym for as f, used for emphasis. It started in early 2010s internet culture, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with ASF in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.